So this is just a quick week 9 overview of kind of giving you some information on the lab. Just hope want to make sure everyone's on the same page. Information from the book about quantitative data. We're moving into quantitative data analysis, which means now we're dealing with numbers, and so everything we do, we're going to essentially be measuring, and we'll start looking at means, standard deviation, variability. We'll start looking at correlations. We'll start graphing stuff in the next couple of weeks. Um, I find it a bit more interesting and a little easier to understand quantitative data. And hopefully you will feel the same. I created a lecture. It's about 12 minutes long, kind of talking about the differences between qualitative and quantitative data, different types of validity. So make sure you watch that. There'll be some test questions on the final related to that. This is a website on different ways of doing observations. And then this is the lab. We'll go there real quick. So we're going to watch this video again. And for this lab, I want you to be essentially coding data. And so what we'll have you do is I want you to essentially tally the number of times you see certain behaviors. Now, um, I've I've done the tallying, so I'll have a pretty good idea for how many times you're seeing certain behaviors. So make sure you watch those videos and you do take the time to do this. It's quite easy in terms of not too time consuming. You may watch the video once or twice per section. There's only two sections, and this is just to get us familiar with coding data, keeping track, trying to pay attention and focus on different things that we're seeing. So all I really want you to do is just watch those videos, the behaviors I'm looking for right here for both the teacher and the child. And then next week we will graph this data. We'll do some stuff in Excel. So make sure you have Excel ready for next week. And also we'll be then doing other observations that we'll come up with in the classroom and kind of going through the same process. And so if there are any questions related to lab this week, please send me a course message. If not, hope you guys have a good week.